Hey, it's Jade and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Anyway, so today I'm just packing up my room to move into my dorm. I move in on Friday and it is now Sunday and I'm literally the meaning of lazy right now and I don't want to do anything. So, and I have to clean my room because it's a literal god mess. I have so much to do today. I literally threw like 4 pairs of actually no, apparently they were all ripped from my dad, so I threw them all away. So now I have to get like 2 pairs of Vans. They were the all white ones and my dad put them in a bag because I asked him to wash them for me, even though I could have just done it myself. But I just wanted my dad's help on something. He put them in a blue plastic bag. Do not do that. If you have a white pair of Vans, just let them sit. Do not put them in a bag, any white pair of shoes, because the dye from the plastic bag will go onto the shoe and it will ruin it forever. And now I'm gonna just like probably dye them some like weird gray color and see how that works. Pick what outfits I'm gonna wear for the rest of the week and then start pulling things from my closet and putting it into my guest room, which will be all my clothes for college. These are all my clothes so far. I have some of the throw in the washer and stuff like that, but I know that's like not a good idea to take a whole bunch of clothes, so just sort through those when they're all dry. And then I think most of them are like pink or whatever. I'm just gonna do that and then oh no, I have plans later today, so I'm gonna do that. I have to go to the mall, get new shoes, go to Plato's, drop off these clothes, and then go pick up my friend from work. So yeah, shower time. So I just got out the shower and I'm gonna go to Plato's closet and drop off my stuff and go to the mall. So tired. Box now. Going to Plato's, dropping it off, then we're going to the mall. So, yeah, hopefully my friend will be out of work by then. There's a hole in my shoe, there's a hole in my shoe, there's a hole in my shoe, my sock is wet. Mall time. So, I'm at the mall and I'm gonna do the rest of my errands. So now we're outside waiting till 7 o'clock. 6:50. 6:50 was. Literally, we're gonna even watch people. I got the piggy and I got her. It's how money? Okay. Wasting her money on what? Stupid shit. Okay, so now we're getting dinner. Time to drive home. Now it's an hour and a half drive. Haha, you dumb bitch. You fucking fell.
Fall.
Fell! It's literally past tense.
Fall.
Fell! So we're now at Love's because I need to get gas. and Kaylin was annoying the hell out of me to go pee. So we're here now. Oh my god, finally home. Ow! Can you hurry up so we can go inside, please?
Okay.
Didn't leave anything. I don't even care at this point. Oh, my AirPods.